Okay children, so we learnt on different food packets what are the common things that we might have found. So now let us see what are the essential components. By basing on that, let us see what are the essential components of the foods. Basing on that, what we learnt in the previous activity, basing on that, what we have deducted, let us see. First thing, mostly in most of the foods, what we noticed is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Second thing that we noticed prominently is proteins. That means these are required by our body prominently. And then what we noticed is fats. And then we noticed vitamins. And then we noticed minerals, and we noticed fiber. We call it as roughage also. And in our foods, usually what do we have? Water is there. In packet we can't say that water is there, because of course in chocolate it will be present, liquid kind of thing. So what are the important or essential components of our food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and fibers. Now let us test the presence of these in our food. Now what we have to do is, okay, with the experiment that we conducted, we understood that these are there. But should we simply accept because it's mentioned on the packet? Let us test. Let us test for the presence of these things. By testing them, we will come to know that what we learnt is right or wrong. Let us see. Test for presence of carbohydrates. That means starch. Test for the presence of carbohydrates, that means starch. We are going to test for the presence of starch. What are the things that you need to test for the presence of starch? Actually, you can take many things, like starch means but first what are we going to do is, let us take a few items. Why should we simply like what are the things that we checked till now? Let us think that take few drops of milk, take egg, take potato, take cheese. Okay, 4 items you have taken. Now what we will do is, we'll test them all. We will test them all to see if starch is present in them or not. How do we test for the presence of starch? For any time when you want to test the presence of starch, what are the things you need is iodine, dilute iodine, tincture iodine. We can call it as tincture iodine also. Dilute iodine is required. If starch is present, if starch is present it will turn bluish black. In absence of starch, it will be as usual. What is the color actually of it? A dark magenta color, a very dark magenta color. But when starch is there, it will turn bluish black in color, very dark blue, almost black blue color. Now what we have to do is, you have to take a test tube. Now because you are doing 4, you are testing 4 of them, let us take 4 test tubes. Put them in a test tube stand, so that you won't have any kind of problem, right? Now take 4 test tubes and take potato. In place of potato, let me take atta. It's easy for me. Atta. No, flour. Now in this milk, in this egg, in this atta, in this cheese, you take just a few drops of all this here, like this, fill it like this, and then put a drop of iodine here, iodine here, iodine here, iodine here. Now you observe which one is turning bluish black, because if you observe it, you will be knowing, because you won't have the chance to do it because of these times now, and I am unable to show you. I will tell you the answer. Atta shows the bluish black color. Atta shows the bluish black color. The rest of them don't show. What does it mean? Out of all these things, what has starch present in that is atta has starch present in it. Okay. Now, this is test for the presence of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means starch. We tested. Now you might be wondering why I removed potato, why I didn't test on potato. You can do that also. It's easy. Either you scrape the potato, take a grate of potato, and then put it in the same test tube like that and test. You will find it. And what else have? What else can you do? Rice. Take rice and then mash it. Pour water, shake it thoroughly, take 2 drops of that and put it here and add iodine. You will get bluish black color. So these all explain that rice, potato, atta, all these have more carbohydrates present in them. Tomorrow we will learn about test for proteins, presence of proteins, and test for presence of fats. These are all very interesting. If you by any chance have these things available at home, try and do these experiments. You will enjoy them a lot. Thank you children. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.